Hi guys, so if you want to install the right Candy Crush Saga app on your Android smartphone, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can find and install the right Candy Crush app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So let me go first and uninstall it, then I'll show you the installation process. So for that, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Google Play Store. You should have it on your Android smartphone. So go through your apps and find it. Then tap on it to open. And from here, go ahead and log in with your Gmail account and just search for your app by name from here. If you can see this search bar, then look for a search icon down here. Tap on it to activate search. So I'll just search for Candy Crush like that. And then tap on search here. And you can see we have here the app. I'll go ahead and tap on it to expose the details. So make sure it is from this company, King. This is the creator of Candy Crush. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 36 million reviews. And this app has been downloaded over 1 billion times. So it is one of the most downloaded apps on Google Play Store. So if you see these details and look at the logo, this is the right logo for this app. It has the name King besides it. If you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right Candy Crush app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install. And this will download the latest version of Candy Crush, then install it on your smartphone. And as you can see, it is being installed. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and play it straight from here, or go back to my apps. Now you can see our Candy Crush app is here. You can now launch it straight from here. So that's how you can install the right Candy Crush app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.